Starting off with green contacts, these are diamond color contacts that I got from my local beauty supply store. After this, I'll be filling in my brows with some red eyeshadow. I'm not labeling any of the makeup that I'm using for this video, simply due to the fact that I want this to be a look that everyone can recreate, and some of this stuff is more on the pricey side, so whatever red shadows you guys have on hand, or foundations, or mascaras, they should all work just fine. After filling in my brows, I'm moving on to my eyes, and I'm going to be using some concealer to get a nice even base for my shadow. Next, I'm applying this green shimmery shadow all over my lid. This is the only color that I'm using on my lid. Again, I want this to be a really easy look for everyone to be able to recreate. So whatever green shadows you guys have, that should work perfectly fine for this look. Next, I use some black liquid liner as a base to the red shadow that I'm going to be applying on top of this. With this look, I didn't just want to have a plain green eye. I wanted to have a little bit of red in there. So using the black as a base really helped that red show up more vibrantly. Moving on to my face, first I'm going to be using some primer and then my foundation of choice, and I'm going to be blending that in with a damp makeup sponge. Now I'm moving back onto my eyes. I'm going to apply that same green shadow underneath my lash line to pull this eye look together a little bit more. Then I'm going to be concealing the high points of my face with some concealer. Now for contour, I packed on this brown powder as my contour, and then I set my concealer with some translucent powder. Now to make this look more Poison Ivy theme, I went to this store, Spirit, which sells Halloween supplies, and I picked up these face decals, cut out the pieces that I wanted, and then I adhered them to my face. Now I don't wear false eyelashes because they're way too hard to put on, so I am applying a lot of mascara to get that dramatic eyelash look that I want, and then I'm going in with a coral blush. Next, I applied my favorite golden highlighter to all the high points of my face, including the inner corners of my eyes. Whenever you put your highlighter on your cupid's bow, the tip of your nose, and the inner corners of your eyes, it really enhances your makeup look. Now for my lips, I'm lining with this pretty red lip liner, and then I'm going in with this wine red lipstick. To finish it off, I set my face off camera and I'm using my e.l.f. brow gel to set my brows. And that is all that I got for this makeup look, you guys. For the outfit, from the corset to the shorts to even the leaf leg wraps, they're all Amazon. So that's all that I got for this Halloween video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and slap that notification bell to all to be notified the next time that I post. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.